Conjunctions are joining words. Okay. Conjunction is a joining word. It joins words or sentences together. What conjunction joins? It joins words or sentences together. The most commonest conjunctions are and, but, or. Okay, because, so, since, all are conjunction words. See example. Everyone was happy. Sunil was angry. Two sentences, right? Everyone was happy. One sentence. Sunil was angry. Another sentence. How can we use conjunction word and join these two sentences together as one sentence? See, everyone was happy, but Sunil was angry. Here, but is what? Conjunction word. So, this conjunction word join two sentences and one sentence. Everyone was happy, but Sunil was angry. Okay. Next, conjunctions of reason. What is conjunction of reason? The conjunctions because, since, as, and in case are used to say why someone does something. So, conjunctions of reason says why someone does something. If you get an answer to the question why, then those are what conjunctions of reason. What are the words that we can use for conjunctions of reason? Because, since, as, and in case. Okay, so these conjunction words are used to say why someone does something. Answer to the question why. There is a reason. If you ask why, then you get an answer, right? Reason. So, conjunction of reason are used to say why someone does something. See the example. I sat down because I was feeling sick. I sat down. Why? There is an answer to the question why, right? You will get a reason why you sat down. Because I was feeling sick. That is a reason. So, we have used the conjunction because. Okay. Next, conjunctions of purpose. 1 minute. Conjunctions of reason. We use because when the reason is the most important part of the sentence. When we can use the conjunction because when the reason is the most important part of the sentence. I sat down because I was feeling sick. This is most important, right? So, we have used the conjunction word because. Next example, she didn't go to school because she was ill. That's the most important part of the sentence, right? She didn't go to school. Why? Because she was ill. So, when the reason is most important part of the sentence, then we have to use the conjunction because. Next, as and since. When we can use as and since? We use as and since when the reason is not as important as the result. In most cases, as and since can be used interchangeably. When we can use as and since? When the reason is not as important as the result. If the result is not as important, then we can use as or since. Okay, we can use both interchangeably. But when the reason is the most important part of a sentence, then we have to use the conjunction because. If it is not important, then we can use the conjunction words as or since. See the example. I chose an orange since it was the only fruit in the world. It was not that much important result. So, use the conjunction since. Next example. As you are my best friend, I will lend you this storybook. As instead of since, you can use as well as since. Interchangeably, we can use. Note that the conjunctions as and since can be at the beginning of a sentence, but we generally do not begin a sentence with because. We can start a sentence with as or since. Okay, you can use as or since in the beginning of a sentence, but we cannot start a sentence with because. Okay. Next, in case. See, in case. Take an umbrella in case it rains. When we can use in case, if something is going to happen, if we know that already, then we can use in case. Okay, something might happen, you know that, then you can use in case. Take an umbrella in case it rains. Wear your boots in case the ground is muddy. Okay. Next, conjunctions of purpose. What are conjunctions of purpose? The conjunctions so, that and in order to are used to say what the purpose of something is. So conjunctions of purpose are used to say what the purpose of something is. What is the purpose? Then we can use the conjunctions so that, and in order to. See example, I am saving money so that I can buy a new car. What is the purpose of saving money? So that you can buy a new car. There is a purpose, right? So I have used the conjunction so that. So conjunctions of purpose, so that, and in order to are used to say what the purpose of something is. The conjunctions so that, and in order to are used to say what the purpose of something is. They are called conjunctions of purpose. Okay. So these are the two conjunctions of reason and purpose. Conjunctions of reason, because, since, as, and in case. Conjunctions of purpose, so that, and in order to. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Now we will move on to the TV exercises. Children, take page number 68. A main. Fill in the blanks in the correct conjunction from the box. So, few conjunctions are given here in the box. We have to choose and write the appropriate conjunction. Since, because, as. First one, everybody likes him, dash, he is nice and helpful. Everybody likes him since he is nice and helpful. It's not, the result is not as much important. So, we can use since or as. Next, dash, he was angry with her. He didn't utter a word. In the beginning of a sentence, right? So, we can use as. As he was angry with her, he didn't utter a word. Next, dash, I was hungry. I wanted to eat something first. Since I was hungry, I wanted to eat something first. Next, I will punish you, dash, you lied to me. Here mentioned the reason is stressed. If the reason is important part of the sentence, then we have to use because, right? So you can write because in the blank. I will punish you because you lied to me. Next, let's discuss the problem now, dash, you're here. Let's discuss the problem now since you're here. Next, dash, Roshni has a headache. She is leaving early. Since Roshni has a headache, she is leaving early. Next, dash, there was no power. I couldn't sleep last night. As there was no power, I couldn't sleep last night. Next, the school will be closed on Friday. Dash, it is Diwali. The school will be closed on Friday as it is Diwali. Next, I can't send the parcel today. Dash, the post office is closed. I can't send the parcel today because the post office is closed. Next, Rohan did not buy the blue jacket. Dash, it was too large for him. Rohan did not buy the blue jacket as it was too large for him. Next, B main, combine the sentences using the words in brackets. You may have to change some words. We have to combine and write the sentence using the words given in brackets. Some changes we may have to make if necessary. First one, Arun sold his car. He wanted to buy a new one. We have to use since. So we can write Arun sold his car since he wanted to buy a new one. Next, you would better take a sweater. It might get cold. We have to use in case. We can write you would better take a sweater. Then you have to add in case. Then you don't need to write might, okay? It, then you have to use the present, simple present form. So, it will change as like it gets cold. So, you would better take a sweater in case it gets cold. Might, we don't need to write after it. We have to add here yes, okay? To make the simple present tense. Next, he wants to rest. He is tired. We have to use because. We can rewrite as he wants to rest because he is tired. Next, I will leave you my phone number. You might want to contact me in case. So we can write, I will leave you my phone number in case you don't need to write. Okay, then here present tense only for you, right? Plural form. So you can write in case you want to contact me. I will leave you my phone number in case you want to contact me. Next, everybody is here. Let us start the meeting. Since we have to use, so we can write, since everybody is here, let us start the meeting. Put a comma here. We are combining and writing, right? So no full stop. Next, one should not waste water. Water is precious. We have to use because. We can write as one should not waste water because already water mentioned here, so we can use the pronoun instead of again repeating water, because it is precious. One should not waste water because it is precious. Next, you are late. You have to wait till the doctor is free. Since we have to use, so we can write as since you are late, you have to wait until the doctor is free. Next, I am watching this saucepan. The water might boil over in case. So we can rewrite as I am watching this saucepan in case the water might. We don't need to write after the verb, just add yes to make the simple present form. The water boils over. I am watching this saucepan in case the water boils over. Next, go home immediately. Your father is looking for you. We have to use because. We can write as go home immediately because your father is looking for you. Next, you ought to insure your jewelry. It might get stolen in case. We can rewrite as you ought to insure your jewelry in case it gets stolen. Next main, fill in the blanks with correct conjunction from the box. So that, in order to given, we have to choose and write the appropriate conjunction. Okay. First one, I need to work hard. Dash, I can pass the exam. I need to work hard so that I can pass the exam. They said that the movie was fantastic, so I watched it. Next, do exercise regularly. Dash have excellent health and wealth. Do exercise regularly in order to have excellent health and wealth. The purpose of doing exercise regularly was what? To have an excellent health and wealth. He took his new bicycle to school. Dash, he could show it to his friends. So we can write he took his bicycle to school so that he could show it to his friends. Next, we left early. Dash, we would not be late. We left early so that we would not be late. There is a purpose, right? So we have to use so that, so, or in order to appropriately. Next, uncle painted the walls white. Dash, make the room brighter. Uncle painted the walls white in order to make the room brighter. The purpose of painting the walls white to make the room brighter. Next, go to bed early. Dash, you are not tired in the morning. Go to bed early so that you are not tired in the morning. Next, I hid the keys under the bed. Dash, nobody could find them. I hid the keys under the bed. Why? So that nobody could find them. The purpose of hiding keys under the bed was why? No, so that nobody could find them. Next, D main, combine the sentences using the words in brackets. You may have to change some words. Okay, we have to combine and write the words given in the bracket. Some changes, if required, we have to make. Madhuri saved money. She wanted to buy a present for Nancy. We have to use in order to. So we can write Madhuri saved money in order to buy a present for Nancy. Next, Mr. Short used a long ladder. He wanted to reach the high ceiling. We have to use so that. We can write as Mr. Short used a long ladder so that he could reach the high ceiling. Next, we often switch off the heating. It saves money. In order to. We can rewrite as we often switch off the heating in order to save money. Next, I turned up the radio. I wanted to listen to the news so that. We can rewrite as I turned up the radio so that I could listen to the news. Next, he tried to find a car park. He wanted to park his car. In order to. We can write he tried to find a car park in order to park his car. Next, the driver stopped. Then the children could cross the road. We have to use so that. We can rewrite as the driver stopped so that the children could cross the road. So children, all of you copy this properly in your textbook. If you have any doubt, can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you.